For manufacturers, the need to differentiate themselves from competitors has become acute, and direct-to-consumer, or D2C, sales models offer this opportunity. In this model, bridging the customer experience gap is now the battleground for differentiation, revenue growth, and higher profitability. The facts speak for themselves. Analysts at Gartner say that 81% of companies now expect to compete mostly or completely on the basis of customer experience. And Forrester calculates that experience-driven businesses are growing revenue 1.4 times faster and increasing customer lifetime value 1.6 times more than other companies. Fujitsu GLOVIA OM, a Salesforce native, fully configurable, low-code order management solution, is the fastest route to a successful D2C model. It integrates all business processes, from sales to order fulfillment, inventory tracking, and financial information with unmatched transparency and efficiency. GLOVIA helps manufacturers maximize the potential of their products by simplifying the interface between manufacturers and customers, maximizing the potential of existing distribution channels, uncovering new revenue streams by delivering value-added services to augment manufactured products. Canon, the leading manufacturer of imaging and optical products, has already leveraged GLOVIA OM to launch a marketplace for its dealers and drive value-added services, with benefits such as the ability to drive software sales more effectively and manage licenses and subscriptions to hundreds of channel partners. Elsewhere, a top pharmaceutical and life sciences company deployed GLOVIA OM with a 95% increase in the availability of point-of-sale data, underpinning delivery of a radically improved customer experience. By leveraging an improved customer experience to increase customer retention rates by 5%, manufacturers can increase profits anywhere from 25% to 95%, according to strategic consultants at Bain. Keep the conversation going by signing up for a free customized 2-hour GLOVIA OM assessment with seasoned and experienced industry experts. Deliver a quality of service that matches the quality of your product with GLOVIA OM.